whom are you trying to interact? You're going to get
Exactly.
you're only going to get the first 60 seconds.
Exactly. That's my problem.
Learning to understand this is what AI can help. A CIO, a $1 billion corporation, or a CIO, let's say $1 million corporation, is a family man, family owned enterprise, corporate. Accountabilities differ, decision making powers differ.
I'm sorry to ask this question again. I'm only like 2 or 3 year experience in sales. I'm new to IoT. I'm new to these kind of high tech business. Can AI help me to understand a specific roles, expectation, roles and responsibilities? What kind of other department expectation on this role? Can I go one level below? And then
You
what?
definitely can define multi personas within an organization.
Okay.
More equally important is going to be you defining your learning curve. You could say
Where
these are the technologies I am going to sell to this target audience. This is the role of a purchase manager. This is the role of an operations manager. This is the role of a maintenance VP. And say this is why I'm positioning this solution. Then you can understand whether that particular solution's usage is targeted to what role, who is the decision maker, who is the influencer, who can actually be your potential